So 10-year-old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old, a 1-year-old, a newborn, and someone who's currently pregnant.
It's not.
What are you thinking? For the record, for the state, for the defense.
Good morning, Judge. Alfonso Cabañas for Samuel Joseph Albert Jr.
And are you Mr. Albert Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright folks, this case is about to get wild. We've got Samuel Joseph Albert Jr. facing multiple legal issues, and things are getting seriously complicated. Picture this, a man with 6 children, one of them only a few months old, a newborn, and a pregnant girlfriend, all while he's juggling legal trouble. The judge is about to set bond, and there's drama unfolding even before they get to the real legal work. But wait, the story doesn't end there. How is this going to affect his future, his children, and the relationships with his partners? Stick around to find out. Trust me, you don't want to miss how this one plays out.
A bond, is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
And is that in each cause number?
My understanding it's a bond amount of $5,000 on each count or on each case number. Is that right, Andrew?
That is correct.
All right.
Those cases are sentenced?
Oh, just
We
for a
haven't said-
moment.
Okay.
All right, so the agreement is $5,000 in each cause number, is that correct?
It is, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there any requests for conditions? State?
GPS partial tracking.
All right, are there any no contact orders in place with regards to the locations? All right, if you all could make sure you give me the addresses for that, I'll put it in the order. So state if you can get me a list of each case, what the address is, and I'll make sure that that's placed in the order.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Albert, I have a few questions for you. Can you raise your right hand? Do you
Wait, what did he just say? He has a 10-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 3-year-old, a 2-year-old, an 18-month-old, a newborn, and a pregnant girlfriend. Whoa, talk about a full house. How on earth does someone manage all of that while trying to stay out of jail? And let's not even talk about the drama between all these different mothers. This case just went from legal proceedings to a real-life soap opera. Is this man really ready for all of this?
Have you ever used any type of drugs
No, ma'am.
in the past? No marijuana?
No, ma'am.
No alcohol?
Sorry.
All right. If you're released, do you have a place to stay?
Yes, ma'am.
Who would you be staying with?
Mother, my child, my girlfriend.
Did you pick up the phone and ask her if you can stay with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you say yes, ma'am. Sometimes people don't.
Here's where it gets really interesting. The judge is calling him out on the fact that he's got a newborn, a pregnant girlfriend, and a house full of kids, and we haven't even started talking about the potential conflict between the mothers. This isn't just about following the law, it's about survival and family dynamics. Can you imagine the tension in that house? What happens if things go south between him and his partners? Will this lead to more legal violations? This is a case you'll want to keep your eyes on.
I have a 10-year-old, I have a 4-year-old, I have a 3-year-old, I have a 2-year-old, and I have 18, well, he 18 months, not 2. And I have one that's just born in July 12th, and I have a pregnant baby mama right now.
My gosh, wait a minute. 10, 4, 3, 2, 18 months, and then the 1-year-old.
Yes, he a newborn July 12th.
18
Wait.
months, a newborn judge,
Yeah.
and then he has a pregnant girlfriend.
All right, so let me proceed. So the person you're planning on living with, she has the 1-year-old.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have 10, 4,
Yes,
3, 2, 1 years, 18 months, a newborn.
The 2-year-old is the 18-month-old. I had to say this too. I'm sorry.
Okay, so 10-year-old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old, a 1-year-old, a newborn, and someone who's currently pregnant.
Yes, ma'am.
And the currently pregnant person is not with the 1-year-old.
No, ma'am.
All right, just as a side note, I'm just curious. So the mother of your child, she's aware of the fact that you have a newborn, and she's aware of the fact that you have someone else who has a baby on the way. All right, you're just being fruitful and multiplying.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you thinking?
I don't know what I be thinking, man. I just wanna.
Be fruitful and multiply, I guess.
Sorry.
He's following the book of Genesis, Your Honor.
Well, no, the reason why I'm saying this is because isn't there some drama that's going on, but how many mothers?
I have 5 baby mothers.
Five people who are mother your children.
One of them got 2 children.
So, and these 5 mothers don't have any drama or complications?
Yeah, it'd be like, well, I be bouncing around, so a lot of them I'm not together with no more. We just co-parent. And
And then others you are more than just co-parents.
yes, no.
All right, I'm just asking to figure out what to do. All right. I always wonder when people have children, you have a newborn, somebody who's pregnant on the way, and there's a 1-year-old, 2, 3, 4, and then a 10-year-old. There's a lot of overlapping going on. And I always wonder if the current
Wow, the judge isn't holding back here. The reality is, with all these kids and no stable income, Samuel's gonna need to work. But with the bond conditions in place, can he even find a way to support his family without violating the terms? The financial burden is about to get real fast. And don't forget, if there's any drama between the baby mothers, that could easily lead to a violation of his bond conditions. This man's entire future is on the line, and every decision counts.
No, I have to beat up for him.
All right, do you have any mental health issues? Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental health issues?
No, man.
All right. Any gang issues?
No, man.
All right, what is that tattoo? Shoot, what does it say?
Oh, it say shoot first.
What, shoot first, ask questions later?
No, man. I got it. I was young when I went to the pen. I had been shot up before. Man.
Reminder, we are on the record.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no. She's talking to other people in the box.
It was a mistake I got when I was 17. I went to the penitentiary.
All right. So what did you go to prison for?
Regular rehabilitation.
Okay. All right. So the court is going to follow your agreement to a $5,000 bond in each of the cause numbers. The court is going to order full GPS. I'll ask that the fees be waived. Counsel, if he obtains employment, then the court will, of course, allow him to work because he has a lot of children he needs to support.
Goes wrong.
And then I'm going to order no contact with all of the places that are listed in the police reports. And there is to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
This is the part where we get into the nitty-gritty of court conditions. A full GPS monitoring system that's basically surveillance 24/7, folks. Imagine being monitored as if you're still locked up but allowed to be at home. He can't even go out to the park with his kids without someone watching his every move. Is this overkill, or is it exactly what's needed to keep him accountable? This might just be the most intense part of the case, and it's only just begun.
Well, GPS, is that like a house? I mean, like.
Oh, yes. It's like being at the Bexar County Jail, only you're at your home.
Because I'm not from Bexar County. I'm from Houston, and I also have a case in Kendall County. That's why I was like, I don't like. I have to like come because when I got arrested here, I got arrested April 22nd. I had to drive out here to come to court.
So where are you going to be staying?
Well, I got family out here, but I was hoping to go back home with my family in Houston.
Well, is the mother of your child in Houston?
I'm not from San Antonio at all.
All right. Any objections to him being in Houston, Texas? They'll still give him GPS in Houston.
No,
All right. So I'll do partial GPS. It's for attorney appointments and court appearances only. So if you need to meet with your attorney or if you have to show up to court in Kendall County, that's what it'll be for. And I really don't have to put court appearances in there because if you're at court and your GPS goes off, they'll be able to see that you're at court. And if they call you, you can say, hey, judge, my GPS, they're telling me I need to leave. And the judge will say, no, he's in court. He's staying here. All right. Is there anything else?
Not from defense counsel, Judge.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson, on his indicted cases, do we have a court date for Mr. Albert?
Which was today, Judge?
All right.
Yes, you please open.
So today was your plea deadline date. I'll extend it because I know you've been recently placed on his other cases, Mr. Cabanos. So, Ms. Ferguson, give me 1 week for a plea deadline date, please. I'm sorry, not 1 week, 1 month. All right, so we're going to be back on September 23rd. You will need to be here in person in court on September 23rd. Do you understand? All right, do you have any questions about anything? All right, so attorneys, before you leave, if you can make sure you give me the addresses or locations where he is not to appear. So what's going to end up happening is you're going to have a copy of the order and you need to make sure that you abide.
So what do we have here? A man with a tangled web of family dynamics, legal issues, and a strict court order to follow. Samuel Joseph Albert Jr. has been granted bond, but the terms are harsh. GPS monitoring, no unsupervised contact with minors, and a future that hinges on his ability to stay on track. Will he make it, or will his past catch up with him? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
Diamonds. All right, you need to get real diamonds on your teeth, then maybe you'll do better in the dating pool.
I am.
Okay, all right.